Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add YouTube gallery for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down on the video you're watching right now and click on the link in the description. When you're going to click on the link in the description, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is YouTube gallery we are going to insert to your site. So let's go. Click here on sign up for free, and when you're going to create an account, you can go with sign up Facebook or Google or your own email, then click login. When you write here, we will see applications. Here, you want to write YouTube. And we can see here, YouTube gallery. Create a widget. And right here, you can create video gallery or YouTube channel. We will leave YouTube channel like this. Or you can go to playlists, video lists. It's really up to you. YouTube channel, continue with the template. You can go with this URL or you can add your own channel. I think you want to add your own. I will leave this one here just for showcase. Then we have a layout. You can get rid of the header if you want. Then you got pop-up. And now let's continue. Then you have colors that you can play around it to put it black, etc. Then you got advanced language or AdSense. And now let's just click here on save. So now we have it here. We can go with a single application and the plan. The plan is, I would recommend you to start with a light version and that's 200 views per month, or you can upgrade it. I recommend going with the start with the light one and then you can check the other plans. Okay, let's copy the widget here and let's go to our Wix website. Let's go with the add here, HTML, and let's just create here the HTML. And now let's click on enter the code. Okay, apply. And as you can see, it's much bigger, much better, but we need to make it like this one here. Okay, so we got ourselves a really great YouTube gallery. Now what I wanted to show you, that they have also our applications that you could have, the basic pack, and you can check them out here. Like the chat, Facebook feed, and I recommend going with this and starting with this one here. And that's like 15 bucks a month, so we can choose it. You can play around it as much as you want. So this is what I would do. Go with the base pack or pro pack and it will be off to go. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you, give you some feedback, guidance. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.